What are standard input and output streams?
Standard input and output streams are fundamental concepts in programming. They provide a way for programs to receive data from users and deliver results back. Standard input, often called stdin, is used to read data, while standard output or stdout displays information to the user. Most programming languages use these streams for basic communication with users, especially in command line applications.
Using standard streams in programming.
In practice, standard input usually comes from the keyboard, and standard output sends data to the screen. Programmers use functions like input in Python, sin and count in C++, and stdin and stdout in Java to interact with these streams. These tools make it easy to build simple, interactive programs that work across different operating systems.
How input and output streams work.
When a program runs, it is automatically connected to standard input, output, and error streams. Data the user types, or that comes from files or other sources, flows into standard input. The program processes this data, then sends results or messages to standard output, where users can see them. This system is essential for many command line utilities and scripts.
Redirecting streams for flexibility.
One powerful feature of standard streams is redirection. Users can redirect input and output from files or other programs instead of the keyboard and screen. For example, in a terminal, program input.txt to output.txt will make a program read data from a file and write results to another file. This enables automation and better data management.
Key takeaways and common uses.
Understanding standard input and output streams is crucial for writing flexible, efficient programs, especially for command line tools, data processing, and automation. Mastery of these streams helps developers interact with data, handle errors, and connect programs together. Almost every major programming language supports these concepts, making them a universal tool for programmers.